here at Mr. Yeti. We're gonna see if we can pop a bonus with 20 spins on.
I'm so glad you are here.
Thank you. On 20 spins.
So much fun.
Let's do it. He's gonna run across looking so cutie. I already know. Spin number 3. Woo! We have spin 4. Oh, that's nothing. Number 5. Oh. Come on. 7. We have 8. 9. Oh, he is not doing too hot. He's not making any noise. We have a number 11. Come on. Oh, you couldn't even give me the jacks? 12. Oh. 13. Again. Couldn't even give me the jacks. 14. 15. Oh, we got some little coins. 16. You guys, we have 4 more spins. Can we get a little pop? I don't know. 17. 18. Wow, this was awful. 19. You guys, we won 90 cents. Last one. Dang. Whew. That was brutal. We're going to take that 90 cents and move along. All right, everybody, we're here at Money Mania. We are going to put $20 in. It's a 75-cent bet. We're going to do 20 spins. And then we're going to move on to 2 cents at $1.50. So, and then depending on how we do, we might move on to nickels. We shall see. Stick around, find out how we do. Let's do it. Spin 1. Come on, spin 2. Oh my gosh. Can you give me that? 3 of them next time? Thank you. Spin 3. Let's go spin 4. I don't know what I need either, but I just want to hear a bunch of ding, ding, dings. Spin 5. Come on. 6. I'm thinking I need 3 of those. Yeah, it said 3 or more of those. I don't know what spin I'm on, but it's a spin 8 already. Probably need 3 wheels. Ooh, come on, spin 10. Let's go, baby. Woo! All right. 11. Come on, 12. He is fast. 13. 14. Come on, 15. Do it. It said 1 or 2 wheel bonus may award the wheel, but I'm guessing 3 is guaranteed. What was that? 16. Now you're 17. This is spin 17, you guys. We got only a couple more spins, so do something. Make some magic. 18. Do it. Oh, come on. 19. Come on, spin 20. Woo! All right, so we have $9.95. We are going to hop up to 2 cents, $1.50. How many spins do I need for $20? 13-ish, give or take. So we're going to see how many we can get, and then if I have to put in extra money to get extra spins, we'll do that. All right, so spin 1. Come on. Oh, my God. Did I get something? No. What did you need? I don't know. Come on. Spin 3. Let's go, baby. Come on. Spin 4. What a little tease. Come on. 5. Oh. 6. Sure, thank you. 7. Hold that. We might need it. Oh, I'm going to put in an extra 20. BRB. Okay, we got that extra 20 in. We're going on spin number 8. Come on. Spin 9. Oh, you little business. 10. I don't know what I need. Nope, not that. 11. 2 more spins. All right, last one. Oh, you guys, this was brutal. We're taking our $11.05 and we are cashing out. Cash Express Legend. This is where we are. There we go. Thank you so much for showing the name. We're going to do pennies. 20 spins at $1. Let's see if we can hit a bonus. Spin 1. Spin number 2. Come on. And then after we do our 20 at $1, we're going to move along to 2 cents and we're going to do 10 spins at $2 on 2 spins. Oop. Come on. I don't know what spin I'm on. 5. Oh, you couldn't have lined that up. 6. Spin number 7. Oh, come on. Spin 8. Do it. 2 more. 2 more. Okay. 9. Oh, 10. Come on. 11. Let's go. Spin 12. You guys, this is annihilating me right now. 13. Oh my God. Why is it gonna block that? 14. Come on, spin 15. We have 16. Are you kidding me? 17, I think. Ooh, nice. Hey-oh. What was that? 17? 18. Let's do it again. 19. Oh, that would be a great. Oh my God. Yeah. We got popped with the $10. Oh my God. Blue train, minor train. Is it going to give us 2 trains? Nope. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. 4. Yes. Give us more gold trains. Oh my God. Gold. Come on. Keep the gold ones coming. Keep the gold coming, please. Gold. No, it's minor. It's a minor train. Gold. Give us another gold train. Come on, gold train. Or just, yes. Another one. Oh, hey, $46. You guys, that's been 19. I don't have to put money in for my 2 cents. Yay. Okay, we have 1 spin left at pennies, and then we're going to move on to our 2 cents. 10 spins. Let's go. Heck yeah. You guys, that was crazy. What are the odds? Spin 20. Oh my God. That was crazy. Okay, we're going to switch it to 2 cents. And then we're going to do 10 spins at 2 cents. Okay, spin 1. Oh my God. Let's go. All right, spin number 2. We're only doing 10 here. Come on, spin 3. Oh, 2 more. 4. All right, spin 5. Come on. Halfway. 6. Oh. 7. Come on, gold coins. We got spin 8. Oh my God, pop it. Please. Oh. What do we have? 2 more?
Yep.
Spin 9.
Pop it.
All right, 10.
Do it. Oh.
All right, we're going to take our $46. You guys, we put technically $20 into the Cash Express Legend, and we cashed out $46. So we are up $26 on Cash Express Legend. Let's go. That game is so fun. I love getting the bonuses, the little train bonus. So fun. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you come back and watch the next one.